Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to get my HP Smart printer back online. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you can do is connect the printer power cord to the printer and turn the printer back on. Disconnect the power cord from your wireless router. Wait 10 seconds before reconnecting it. It may take few minutes for your internet to come back on, and once this has been done, all you gotta do is try again. But if that still doesn't work, then what you can do here is check the user printer offline setting. Right click on your HP printer and uncheck user printer offline. If it's enabled, this should bring the printer back online. Restart the print spoiler service. Go to the search in the taskbar, type services and select services in the list of the results. Find the print spoiler service, select and hold to right click it and select restart. Remove and reinstall the printer. Select start, settings, then device, printers and scanners. Open printers and scanner settings, select the printer and then select remove device. And lastly, what you can do is update the printer driver and firmware. Visit the SP website and search for the latest driver for your printer model. Download and install the latest version of your private driver or printer driver. Updating the driver can fix compatibility issues and improve printer performance. So these are the options that you can do. So that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.